Everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is again in continuation with the already ongoing series of HackerRank. So today we are going to solve this problem, Java string reverse. But before we jump to the solution of this video, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and please watch this video till the end, because you may get one more solution or one more way to solve this problem. Okay, so let's jump to the solution. So first let's see what it says. So it says palindrome definition here, and then it says that it will give us a string, and we have to print yes if it is a palindrome or no if it is not a palindrome. So there are a few ways to do it, and I'm going to show you two ways. So first is an obvious one. So what I'll do is I'll just create if and else here. I'll explain why. So there is a class string builder, right? So what it has a reverse method. So if I were to create a string builder here with the already fetched string, we can reverse it with this method. So a palindrome is what is a palindrome? Palindrome is if we have this string and if we reverse it, and if they both are equal, that means that string is a palindrome. So after getting the reverse, if I just convert it back to a string, and if I just compare it with the string A, and if they are equal, that means that this is a palindrome. So if string builder dot reverse, right, dot to string, we converted it to this string, if it is equals, that means that we can do system dot out dot println, and we can just do yes, or we can do no. Okay, so let's try this. We don't need to write this line also, we can directly do new string builder a dot reverse, right? That can also be done, but this is just to simplify. So if you run the code, it's going to work fine. But sometimes I've seen, like, if this question is asked in an interview, they will ask you to write down a logic which doesn't uses already defined method. So you may have to create a logic which will do the reverse thing, or maybe do something to find out if it is actually a palindrome or not. So there are two ways now. First is to create a string by iterating over the already fetched one from the end. So if you just start your loop from the end of this string to the 0th index, you will create a new string, and if you compare both these strings, if they are equal, then that's your logic, right? Another way is to have two pointers. One is starting from that start, and another is from end. So this is what we used to do, or we uses in our linked list problems actually. So you can use that same logic also. So what I mean is, let's create start index. So start is, let's say, 0. It has to be at 0, and end has to be at a dot length -1, right? Now we will create a while loop, and what I'm going to do is, if I'm considering our string is madam, so see this ma here and ma here are both the same string, and d being the common, or the the common point of this string. That means that we don't have to compare d with d, or if we do compare, then we don't have to start again with a comma a, because we have already done this. So we have to stop at an index. So that is what is going to be a termination point of the while loop. So this character is going to be that. So what it means is, if its start is less than or equals to end, then only you have to iterate over the while loop, otherwise don't, right? In that what we will do is, if in case a dot char at start equals not equals a dot char at, and if it is not equals, that means that we can break out of the loop. And before breaking out of the loop, I'll have a boolean variable, let's say is palindrome. Let me copy this also so that I don't have to write it again and again. I'll make it false, right? Otherwise by default it has to be true. And here what I'll do is I'll just check for is palindrome. So what we have done is we have created two pointers, one is starting from the start, one is from the end, but we haven't incremented or decremented because they have to go up and come down, right? So after the if condition we will just do start plus plus and end minus minus. So let's try to run this. Okay, we have compilation error. So it's working fine. Let's try to submit. So both the solutions are working fine, and you can also use the one that I used in between, and congrats. So yeah, I've just got the 4th star, and January is ongoing. Soon I have to get the 5th star also, and then I'll be all set. But that's it for this video. I hope you have learned something, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do like the video if you love the content that I'm creating, and if you have anything specific you can write that down on the comment section. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.